Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'll be discussing about the recent issue a lot of you have been asking me on the channel based on the Jumia KOL program registration. I know a lot of you have been facing the issue based on the account type, and yeah, in today's video I'm going to be explaining based on my research on this issue, so make sure to stay tuned. So now if you go to the site kl.jumia.com, as you can see on my screen, and then you want to register, so Jumia is going to take you to the main registration form page. As you can see, immediately you insert your first name, or you insert your last name as well, your email address, password, your country, as well as your phone number. You would notice when you're about to click on the account type, it's actually unclickable, but then your website is still clickable. So yeah, like I said, I carried out some research. The number one thing I did was to ask the agent, and this was actually the agent's reply. And then after asking the agent concerning this, with the response in which the agent said probably there's an issue with the site or probably a technical issue, I also went to Facebook where I searched for Jumia KOL group, as you can see on my screen right now. I searched for Jumia KOL, as you can see it over here, and then I saw the exact complaints from another person. The admin replied the person saying that the Jumia KOL account type, as you can see over here, I've been trying to register with Jumia KOL, but the select account type section is not clickable. And then the person replied, as you guys can see on my screen right now, hello Grace, please note that this is inactive. So as you can see, Grace actually responded again and said, does it mean the program is not on right now? And then they replied, yes please. So guys, as you can see, it's like those who actually registered earlier on before now can still have access to the affiliate program, but then new registration people, or those of you who are actually trying to register now, you probably might not be able to register due to all what I have just explained. Number one, like the agent said probably the site is undergoing some technical issues, and then you can see over here on Facebook it was said by an admin that it is actually not active. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video, make sure to drop a comment down below, drop a like, as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.